what she wants to do when she wants to do it. This is what I've always wanted to do myself. But never could because everybody was always threatening me when I did what I wanted to do. I was raised around Baptists, that's why. Bishop. Yeah.
Did you spit on this mic?
I did. I get some breath mints, like breath mints. That's a breath bubble with Lysol and breath mints.
You want breath mint, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, ready? Test.
Test. One time I went Molokai with Melvin, and I never got over it. And, there was this young kid that came out, and he was sitting next to me doing like this with his legs. And Melvin turned around in the van and says, "Clifton, close your legs, the fly's getting dizzy."
You didn't have to tell him that story.
So I went down to Tennessee 2 weeks after that, and my cousin's wife was over on the boat doing like this. And I says, "Kay, would you mind closing your legs? It seems the flies are getting dizzy." She says, "We don't talk like that down here."
Right in front of me, I'll slap her.
Anyway, I wrote this song for Melvin many years ago about beautiful Pala'au on the Kalawao Peninsula above Molokai.
Oh, this thing is hot, yeah?
Yeah, it's just right after Mexican songs. It sounds cool, but Dickie, did you push the right button on this thing? No more. You didn't.
No, it's you can. They can hear it. They can hear it. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay.
And he wrote this song for me.
Too much loud. In my heart there is a song. In my soul I never long for my island.
I knew that.
Blueberry. All through the years, it's the place ever dear to my heart. I hear the wind gently calling me back to the ocean. song.